Hi guys, in the last part of the video, we introduced amines and saw how to name them. So now we can begin to look at some of the properties. To look at the basic properties of amines, let's consider the different definitions of a base. There are Lewis bases, which we talked about in our video on acids and bases, and these have a lone pair of electrons which they can donate. Lewis bases are often referred to as lone pair donators. So if we look at a molecule of an amine, so here we have a primary amine, then we can see that they do in fact have a lone pair on the nitrogen, and this can be donated. So they fit the Lewis definition for being a base. The other definition that's widely used for bases is the Bronsted-Lowry definition, and this is that they can accept a proton. Amines can indeed accept a proton, and they use those electrons that we've just talked about to form a dative covalent bond with the proton, which forms this positively charged ion here, demonstrated by a tertiary amine. So we can see that they do in fact fit both definitions of being a base. So we're happy that amines are bases, and just like ammonia, amines are weak bases, and so they will react with strong acids, including hydrochloric acid, to form a salt. This can be shown with this reaction here, where we have ethylamine reacting with hydrochloric acid, and the salt that's formed is called an alkyl ammonium salt. And what's happened in this reaction is that the proton in the acid has been replaced by an alkyl ammonium ion because the proton has now developed a bond with the nitrogen atom, and obviously it's a dative covalent bond as we've shown up here. We can look at an example of an amine reacting with a diprotic acid. So say if the amine reacts with sulfuric acid, then each molecule of the acid has two hydrogens that can react with a molecule of amine. So we react two molecules of the amine. So here we have ethylamine again reacting with sulfuric acid, and we form a salt where each overall molecule of salt has two molecules of the alkyl ammonium ion, shown here, which has two lots of a positive charge, and so forms a salt with the 2- SO2 ion.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise exam board specific A-level chemistry videos, just click the snap revise smiley face here. Join me today, and together let's make A-level chemistry a walk in the park.